Wednesday, September 21st, 2016. Monaco 64 here, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. It's 11 a.m. London, so we still got quite a bit of time till the FOMC decision. It's 5 a.m. New York time. The FOMC decision comes out at 2 p.m. New York. And I like to talk about gold and silver. I've got a few charts, longer term charts of both gold and silver, and I've got some interesting technical levels I've looked at that seem to be quite important. And I think it will be, today will be especially important, even though the markets will in the end decide where gold and silver will go. I personally am still bullish of gold and silver. Gold and silver, in my opinion, are a bet against central bank credibility, and they're the best way to save money in a fiat world. But what I'm going to talk about is more like a technical view of the, price of gold and silver for those who like to trade, and even for people who are just stacking physical gold and silver, who just want to know what's going on and what the key levels are in the dollar price of gold and silver. In other currencies, actually, gold is doing fairly well. So let's start out with gold, and I will show you a chart in a minute. But first of all, I like to talk about the highs in gold in 2014 and 2015. And, why is that important? Well, I think that's important because those levels are key resistance levels, especially, after 4 years of bear market, after the top in 2011. Gold's been going down every year. We haven't been able to break the previous year's high, and it's only until this year, 2016, that we've been able to do that. So have a look at the chart here. The high in 2014 in gold was 1392, and then in 2015 the high was 1307.50 to be exact. And this year, the high has been around 1375, 1376 or thereabouts earlier this year. So we've broken through last year's high, which is the first time that's happened since 2011. And as you can see, for the last couple of months, it's been a frustrating couple of months, but I personally think it's all consolidation. And today, for example, the low after the BOJ was 1307.60, which is right near that 1307.50 level. And we've held pretty much above also the high earlier this year at 1303. So that's why that level is so important. And right now, as I speak, gold is at 1320.61, so holding comfortably above that level. So that's why I think it will be key to watch the FOMC decision today. And the next target is 1392. If we can break through there, I think gold could accelerate quite quickly. A lot of people talk about 1400. I think it's more important to look at the 2014 high, 1392. Of course, we have to get through 1375, which was this year's high. So that's what I think, about the key levels in gold. So 1307 support, then 1375, 76, which was this year's high, and then 1392. So going to silver now, I've done kind of this, looked at the same kind of indicators, so to speak. The high in the high in 2014 was 2219 or 2220. The high last year was 1849. So now I'm going to bring you up bring you the chart, and you can see that for the first time since 2011 this year, we've made a higher high from the previous year. You know, we've traded up above 21, and since, you know, in the beginning of July 4th. And then we've been consolidating. The low in the end of August was actually 1840, which is very, you know, close to that 1849, but the market's rebounded since then. So the key technical levels then are 1849 or 1850, then you know, above 21, which was this year's high, and then look for 2220, which is the 2014 high. So those are, you know, the key levels to watch for in silver. It will be very interesting today to see what the market does after the FOMC decision. And I will update you later on, a few hours after the FOMC decision, when the market's settled down and we have a better idea of what's going on. So if you enjoy my videos, please like, share them, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like to donate, there are a few links below in the description section. Thanks for watching. Bye.